Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality Keshav Jedhe. He was born on 21st of April 1896 in a very influential family of Jedhe in Pune. He did his school education from Pune Municipal School, Pune High School and Pune New English School. In 1819, he began his intermediate studies at Fergusson College, Pune, but after 2 years discontinued his studies due to his great interest in the social movements. He was very active in social movements. In 1920, he took part in the peasants movement by organizing a rally for them. He supported Bardoli Satyagraha, where peasants protested against the increase in taxes. He was elected to Pune municipality in 1925 and was also the member of Central Legislative Assembly. In 1948, he founded Peasants and Workers Party. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from Bombay province on a Congress ticket. He participated in various debates. He was a strong supporter of the formation of linguistic provinces. He was of opinion that too much power is given to the center. Just see that. 24th of November 1949. The Constitution, which is nearly complete, has made the center too strong and much of the powers of the provinces has been curtailed. The center has become the great king and the provinces its dependencies. The Constitution has vested great powers in the hands of President, and I am under great apprehension that there will be a dictatorial rule instead of democracy, that the fascist mentality will grow as the center is made strong. However, we are to see how our constitution works and satisfies the people. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.